Okay, this is Ernie. It's time to change the Freestyle Libre 14-day sensor. Oh, says this is a sensor too. Thought this was the sensor, but either way. Okay, I just want to show how easy it is. Got my sleeveless shirt on. Just took a shower. I forgot to tell you that. Change in 5 hours. Replace sensor in 5 hours. Okay. I'm going to do it right now to show how much easier it gets. Let's see how much it is. Okay, I'm going to take this one off. And you take showers, I forgot, you don't have to cover this up. You don't have to do anything. Pull it. You better do a little on each side. Because it's really sticky. And you don't have to cover it up or anything when you're taking a shower. Just, that's a great thing about it. Let's see. It's coming off. Pull it up like you did pulling up pieces of grass when you were a kid, if you were ever like, yeah. Okay, sometimes it leaves the sticky stuff on your arm, but it didn't this time, and there it is. Whoops. Didn't feel a thing. Throw that away. Get the other one out of the box. It's easy. There's the instructions. Oh, whatever, you know. That. And that. And it gives you a couple of these alcohol wipes. We're just doing this quick because I just want to show how much easier it got for me from the last time. And I'll even put it on the playlist. Let's see. It was good there before. Wipe it off with the alcohol swab. And like I said, it's got the jello gelatin thing or pudding thing you want. Really sticky on there good. That off, then I got this. Unscrew it. This should be easier because I was unscrewing it the wrong way before. And now, see, it helps. That thing. Just a lid. So we got these two parts here. Line it up. There's the line. Can you see it? Yeah, that line. And then line it up with that line. See, it's got two lines. Put it in there. You know, like I said, you can put it on a hard surface, but just go press it together. Simple. There's no doubt now that it's in there. Here's the inside of that. Then when you look, you can see the needle, but I didn't notice it before. Okay, now we're going to put it on. Just take it. Put it on. See it? Hear it snap. Pull it up. There it is. Simple dimple. And you can take showers with it. I got the sensor, and the sensor, it says do it, it's going to say, okay, now it's going to say, Starting a new sensor will end the sensor you're currently using. Would you like to start the new one now? There, it should be in focus. And then there's yes. Gonna punch yes. Scan sensor. Start new sensor. Scan sensor to start it. There it is. And you knew it was going to say 60 minutes. You can start using it in 60 minutes. Takes a while to reprogram or something, whatever it does. But I just wanted to do this. I had those 14 days. Need a haircut. And you'll see the playlist and me talking and everything like that. But I wanted to put this one on. Now you can see how much easier it just got. And this is the third one that I've had. Simple. Love it. Can take my blood sugar in the middle of the night. And my diabetes needs to be monitored, pretty closely. I wish I had this a long time ago. But and with these pins, this is the Novolog with the needles. They're really convenient because, when you go somewhere, you just put the needle on there. I was going to tell you that. Take that off. Put the cover on. See, it's got a pin clip there for your pocket. This one's also got a pin clip for your pocket. Later on, I'm going to take 22 of the long lasting at 7. So this will be ready. The wife's wanting to go somewhere. So I'll get another needle. Take it off. Screw it on. It's not going to hurt. Then you got needles ready, when you go. You go somewhere, then you got them. So there they are. Like 2 pins in the pocket, and then my little invention that I showed before, the glasses holder. Well, even if you don't have the glasses holder, but either way, you got the pin clips. Just have to make sure you put the needles on there and make sure you bring a couple of the swabs with you, which you can put in your front pocket. You just have to wear a shirt or t-shirt with a front pocket. Then you're ready to go. And I can't wait till the next, what do you call it? Presidential debate. Call each other clowns and everything like that. Okay. So there it is. 14-day Freestyle Libre 14-day patch. Have 14 days. I think it was $70 for 2 of them with tax, with my insurance. Hopefully some of this things they're doing about Big Pharma overcharging us for everything, it'll help. I don't know what this is, but insulin. If I wouldn't have the VA in my insurance, I'd be screwed on the insulin thing. We got to do something about our health plan for middle class people that don't fall into poor, or rich. But anyway, okay. This is Las Vegas Retired. Like, share, subscribe. And I hope you see how easy that is. And like I said, they're great for the shower. You don't have to worry about it. Now, you know, you want to make sure you know it's there so you don't go scrubbing. But I think you could, you know, I've accidentally hit it and went, oops, you know, and then cleaned around it and things. But, you know, now it's on this side. So now I just have to get used to it's on this side. But that's okay. That's good. That's fine. A lot better than the old finger pricking package. Way better. So everybody, like, share, subscribe. I need subscribers. Comment. Las Vegas retired. And next one coming up after I get done and move to Missouri, girls only softball. So I think all these subscriptions apply to that too. So have a beautiful day today. Thank you very much.